1700s that people would collect things and put them in cabinets as curiosities and try to identify and label what they were. But scientists in the 19th century realized that they need to understand how the parts fit together. And it's really through that people like Darwin are able to come up with this theory of evolution. That holistic sense of science is really catching fire. And so in a sense, people begin to envision the Earth almost like an organism with this set of circulation systems. And the key to understanding this system was the polar region.
A coalition of scientists has enlisted the governments of 11 nations in an unprecedented quest to understand the Earth's climate. Called the First International Polar Year, it will create a chain of 14 stations around the Arctic, at which observers would collect synchronized meteorological, astronomical, and magnetic data.
The hope was that this would offer the key to a new climatic understanding of the world. That's what the stakes were in this expedition.
Greely and his men would establish